Why do planes crash? It isn't because of engine failure or birds. 70% of all crashes come down to one wrong choice in the cockpit. A commercial pilot only has 2 to 3 seconds to make life-saving decisions at 500 miles per hour. The second deadliest is the weather. In 2023, turbulence caused 25 serious incidents globally. But only 1 in 11 million flights ends in an accident. Around 60% crashes happen in the first and last 3 minutes of flight, during takeoff or landing. Modern planes have 7 backup systems for every critical part, so both engines can fail, and a commercial plane can still glide for up to 100 miles. So you're 95 times more likely to die in a car than a plane. Consider subscribing for more interesting videos.